Hi boys and girls, I'm Professor Goo and I'm Goopy McGoopface, and today we're going to make some homemade lava lamps to investigate some liquids with the help of Miss Ahern.
We're going to start off by making the water a nice fancy colour. So let's use the colour green, and we just need to pour a couple of drops into the water and give it a swirl around to make this nice slimy green colour. Now pop your funnel into the top of the bottle, and we're going to fill the bottle up about a third of the way up to about there. Okay, the next step is to pour the vegetable oil into the bottle. Now I want you to watch really carefully at what happens when we pour the oil into the water. Can you see what's happening there? I'll give you a closer look. Now the water's at the bottom and the oil's at the top, and they're not mixing together. Why do you think that is?
Professor Goo here. The oil and water do not mix because the oil molecules are lighter than the water molecules. This makes the oil float on top of the water because the water molecules have a heavier mass or greater density than the oil. This diagram shows the water molecules closely compacted together compared to the oil molecules and demonstrates liquid density.
Now the last step in our experiment is to put the aspirin tablets into the bottle, and we're going to see what happens. Watching really carefully. See the aspirin sink to the bottom, and what's it doing? The aspirin is releasing something. What do you think that is? And what's happening to the water and the oil? Can you see the globs of water, globs of green water come up through the oil? There's a big one. Now I want you to have a think about what will happen if we add heat, if we use hot water instead of cold water. Let's find out. I've got some hot water here, which I filled up from the kettle, so it's freshly boiled. Now you have to be careful around hot water as it does burn. We're going to do the same thing that we did before. This time we're going to use pink food colouring as we put the aspirin into the bottle and see what happens this time. A couple in there. Oh, look at it go. Very nice. Excellent. Did you notice a difference between the cold water and the hot water?
I did, but I don't know why. Well, Goopy McGoopface, heat creates less dense water molecules as the tiny water droplets move around quicker because they are so hot. Pretty cool, hey?